What if we told you that the chocolate bar you're about to eat was touched more by robots than human hands? From beans to bars, the process is a mind-blowing display of precision, power, and pure deliciousness. Welcome to the secret world of chocolate factory machines, where your favorite sweets are born in spectacular fashion. In this video, we'll take you on a mesmerizing journey through the high-tech world of chocolate production. You'll see how raw cocoa beans are transformed into smooth, shiny bars through a carefully choreographed dance of automated machinery, all designed for perfection. Whether you're a chocolate lover or just fascinated by industrial machines, this is a treat you don't want to miss. It all starts with cocoa beans, sourced from tropical regions. Once inside the factory, these beans are sorted, cleaned, and roasted. Massive machines crack the beans and separate the nibs, the pure essence of chocolate. The nibs are ground into a thick, rich paste called chocolate liquor. Then comes the mixing. Machines blend in sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter depending on the recipe. This mixture goes through refining rollers to create a silky, smooth texture. Next, the mixture is sent through conching machines, which stir and aerate it to develop flavor and texture. Then, it's tempered, heated and cooled with precision to get that shiny finish and satisfying snap. Robotic arms pour the liquid chocolate into molds. Once cooled, each bar is removed, wrapped in foil or plastic, and boxed by lightning-fast machines, ready to hit shelves worldwide. Enjoyed this sweet journey? Smash that like button, tell us your favorite chocolate bar in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours every week. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.